engineers, by and large, are very good with their technical skills. In fact, most of them are chosen by any company based on their technical knowledge and technical skills. That's fine. But what happens once you get into an organization? You're not just going to deal with machines. You're going to deal with people. And people are the most difficult thing to handle. You will realize soon. Because when you pass out and go and work in a shop floor or any specific work area, it will be very easy for you to handle the machines. But you will have a lot of people around you need to work with. So if you have to have a good relationship with people, soft skills are mandatory. And what these soft skills are about? Interpersonal skills, communication skills, problem solving skills. You have all these skills which will make you either a better person or make you stay where you are. So if you need to really grow within your career, soft skills are very, very important. In fact, one of the skills which some of the CEOs say it's important is selling skills. How good you are as a salesperson, how good you are selling your ideas, selling anything within the organization. Because these are the people who will get recognized and they move up the ladder within the corporation. So soft skills, don't ignore it. Because soft skills starts from your communication, presentation, problem solving, interpersonal, so selling skills, customer care skills. It can go to all these skills are soft skills, which normally they don't give that much importance in engineering college. So make sure that you acquire these skills parallelly.